Okay, hello. So yesterday price managed to ramp higher after the European gas equity close. You can see this extension above 500 here already had a small double top also at the highs. So today slightly gapped lower here since yesterday's close. This 95 is previous week's high. We need to see if it holds for continuation, or if price will manage to pull back down to yesterday's point of control 470s and volume weighted average price for the week so far 470s as well. Also looking for the weekly value area high and low, it's at 440s, 484s. So we need to see if price will manage to stay above and the value area will shift higher, or if price will just reverse here and what we'll do at 440s yesterday's lows. Not sure if it will pull back that much. We see the 30-minute chart here with the Bollinger Band. You can see slightly towards the lower Bollinger Band, so we need to see if it holds here support for a move potentially up to the highs, and what we'll do at the highs. Will it fade or will it hold as well? Yeah, we're going shorted 96 is here, short 96, using just the level of VWAP here, O2s, for a potential breakdown. Was waiting to go at the highs and short. If it goes, I will go short there, but seems price pulling slightly lower here, unless this is just a fake out and price reverses here. So shorted 95s against O2s for a potential move down to 470s or so. Out of the short trade at 98 here, no reason to hold. This is constantly doing this, even if the initial balance is very narrow. You can see 3-4 minutes of support down here now, just at the other side. No reason to hold. This flattened earlier at 98 here. So better give this some time and allow this to trade at yesterday's high perhaps. You can see exactly what said earlier, that price is getting absorbed even within a narrow range. You can see multiple retests here at 95s and price is getting above. Of course, this can be used as an area of support and go long once price again above initial balance low against this level for 2-3 points. You are looking for a move up to the highs here. So haven't managed to go there, but this is very nice level. This is a failed auction, which means price failed to auction lower, and will just rip higher as everybody will position towards the short side for a potential breakdown, which will get absorbed here. So let's see if it pulls back at 96s or so. Here we go, initiated a long position at 501s here, once price above VWAP, so anticipating a move up to the highs of yesterday and the gap fill here at 520s. If this happens, will be nice 20 points. Also looking at the 30-minute chart here, can see, as I said earlier, this is towards the lower Bollinger Band here now, finding some support, so perhaps can extend up to the higher. At least for now, this is support here at 95s. Let's see if it holds. Out of the long trade here, price just immediately reverse, so better give this some time. So here we are 30 minutes into the cash trade. You can see price generally once again held support here at the lows of the first hour of cash trading, now trading above initial balance low. So I think it's better to be patient and focus at yesterday's high, as this was the initial idea, but traded here to catch any momentum, which of course reversed twice, so no reason to repeat that mistake. Of course, we don't know at the time that price will be super tight range, like 12 points for the first 30 minutes. That's okay. So next area of interest will be 470s here, yesterday's point of control and volume weighted average price. So looking for a short-term bounce here if price manages to go down. with the pace price is trading now, perhaps this can take several hours. So let's see now for the next 30 minutes if price will just continue here. So basically we're continuing to trading within a 12 points range for the first hour. I think this is one of the tightest ranges I've seen, unless it expands. Let's see the stats here. So basically if we see here the first hour, the lowest for the first hour of cash session has been down to 18s. So today this will mean we have a new record for the statistics, which are counting 446 sessions so far. So okay, that's an interesting information, I guess. So let's see if this can find any kind of acceleration close to the turn of the hour here. Okay, so here we just experienced a new record of narrow range for the first hour. Unless you are fully prepared to scalp 10 points at the lows and short 10 points at the highs for 10 points profit, this is not easy to trade and better stayed out. Next level to watch is yesterday's high, what it does if it fails and if it pulls back to 470s here at VWAP so far. Okay, so here we are a few hours later, you can see basically very narrow range, 33 points or so, high to low, plus a gap here. So basically, as I said earlier, I was waiting to see if price can hold any kind of support at the VWAP for the week so far. This is exactly where it held support, although VWAP at the time was down at 70s, I had a limit long order at 70s. Which price just held support at 78 here, missed this move. So next level of interest will be up to the high of the day. If price goes there, what it does, if it's a good area to short. Also at the lows of the day, if it goes there, what it does. Otherwise we'll avoid trading within this range. So price slowly grinding higher here, you can see from the lows up to 23s or so and spiked further up. So we need to see what we'll do here at the previous high. This is massively getting bought all the time. If we see the daily chart once again today, you can see after this consolidation support at previous all-time highs, price yesterday broke out after the cash session. Now trying to test for further upside. I would like to initiate a short trade here at the highs, although to be cautiously and short-lived. If it goes like 10 points or so, I will flatten the position and then move the rest for break-even, because this is moving just higher with low volume, and this is very dangerous to hold against and average your position against you, because this constantly goes up. Let's see if it gives a retest here. I would like to short at 30s. So basically we have SPY pushing new lows aggressively here, while DAX still here at initial balance, so perhaps DAX can pull back lower towards the low of the day. Was waiting for a retest at yesterday's high to short, although this haven't been up there, although a gap here got filled and price just failed from here. So let's see where SPY is heading, if it goes towards 237, 30s or so. Once again, support here at this little pullback to the tick at initial balance midpoint here. So price just likely to push towards the new high as we're getting closer to the European cash equity close. You can see here 30-minute pullback here, and next candle opens immediately higher. Okay, so here we are at the end of the European cash session. You can see basically 48 points of range here for the whole day. Nice adjustment here at the lows, but price is very narrow range and sticky. Better focus at the edges here. Still price hasn't gone up to yesterday's high, so technically today is an inside day. So perhaps tomorrow we'll see some further action to see what it does at the highs if it fails here, or how price will trade later on during the FOMC statement. If you want to subscribe to the live screen sharing room on DAX and watch every day the live trades I do on time during the market hours, the first hour of cash trading and then US session, and why I'm taking these trades, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click this on the pin tweet here, this link which will prompt you to a paper subscription service which is have a small description here, and the first 2 days is free, then you can have free cancellation if you wish so, and then it's just 19 euros a month. So if you click login here, then this will prompt you to a subscription details, and then you will need to let me know about this so I can send you the password, and so you can be able to log in every day and watch the live screen sharing. Or you can just go to my YouTube channel here, which I upload every day the video after what happened after the European cash market closes, and this is the link here of the everyday recording after the market closes. So this is just free, you can feel free to go here and just watch this.